Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Printful for brand mockups step by step clearly. Visit the Printful website at www.printful.com. Click on the sign up button located at the top right corner of the home page. Choose to sign up with your email address or connect using a social media account. If you opt for email registration, fill in the required fields such as your name and email. Create a strong password that meets the security guidelines provided. Once all fields are filled, click on the Create Account button to proceed. Check your email inbox for a confirmation email from Printful. Open the email and click on the confirmation link to verify your account. Return to the Printful website and log in using your new credentials. After logging in, you will be directed to your Printful dashboard. Explore the dashboard to familiarize yourself with the available tools and features. Next, click on the Store tab to begin creating brand mockups. Choose the type of product you want to create mockups for, such as apparel or accessories. Select a product category and then choose a specific item, like a t-shirt or mug. Upload your design file by clicking the Upload button. Adjust the design placement and select any additional options for your product. Once satisfied, click on the Save Product button to finalize your mockup. You can now view and customize your mockup further. To download your mockup, click on the Download button and choose your preferred format. Finally, use your mockup in your online store or promotional materials as needed. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.